Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to find a list of all of the people and accounts you've muted on Instagram. Not everyone deserves to be on that mute list forever. Or maybe they do. But knowing where they are so that you can take them off the list from time to time is a handy thing to know. While we're on the subject, how do you feel about unmuting people or unblocking people or accounts? Do you go back after a certain period of time and remove the sanctions you put on those accounts? I'm interested in your thoughts for a video I'm putting together, to come soon. Let me know whether or not you unmute or unblock people after a set period of time. Getting back on topic, let's find those accounts and people you've muted on Instagram. To start with, you'll want to open up the Instagram app and then go to your profile. I've got an iPhone, but things might look a little different on your screen if you have a newer or older iPhone, are using a newer or older operating system, or you have a different operating system. Click on the three-lined menu in the top right-hand side of the screen, and when the next menu opens, click on the very first option, called Settings. Here, you'll want to look just above halfway down the screen, at an option called Privacy. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You'll find a little section called Connections. There are 4 options here. They are restricted accounts, blocked accounts, muted accounts, and accounts you follow. As you may have already guessed, the option you'll want to find a list of all of the accounts you've muted on Instagram is Muted Accounts. On the next screen, you'll have a list of all of the accounts you've muted. I only have one in my list. On my private Instagram account, however, I have many. Sometimes hitting the unfollow button just seems too cruel, so the mute option is perfect. If you want to unmute one or more of the accounts you have muted, click on the account. Once you're on their profile page, look for the button that says Following. Hit that and a range of options will appear. As you can see here, I've muted stories and posts from this account. You can unmute by hitting the mute option, then toggling off the switches on the next screen. And that's where all of your muted accounts and people are. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.